Last time, we assembled all the components and we made sure everything works. Today, we're going to finish the project and installing everything into the case. Hello everyone and welcome back to Coder Day. Thank you very much for joining me. Today we're going to finish my Workstation project, so I've already taken out the case. This case is a Cooler Master case, and I picked this over the many other cases that you can find around because this case is purposely built for being very, very silent. All around the case there's a special foam that is built to keep the noise inside as much as possible. It also has a tempered glass side panel because, let's be honest, with all those RGBs you want to be able to see them. And on the front you can find again the same foam and a filter for the fans. Alright, let's build this. Alright, the build is complete. As you can see, all the components are inside and it looks pretty clean. Maybe not the cleanest build in the world, but I can't complain. What I don't really like is this cable here for the front panel, for the USB 3. I really wanted to put it inside this cable part, but unfortunately I was not able to. It's too rigid and I cannot fit in there. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the result. And now it's time to plug it for the last time and installing everything. The side panel is pretty reflective on the camera. It's not this much reflective when you look at it naked eyes, but I just wanted to show you the effect of the RGB lights in the fan and on the motherboard itself. You see even the Asus ROG logo, it's lighting up with different colors, and the water block. I'm very happy with this setup. Alright, I think we're done for today. We built the workstation, we installed Windows, and now we are ready to go. I'll move the system to my office where I will use it for working every day. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below if there is anything more you want to know about this system or any feedback you have about this video. Thank you very much for joining me today, and see you soon at Coder Day.